Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can find your Roblox user ID on mobile. So first off, I want you to open up the browser that you use normally, whether it be Safari or Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. And then simply go to roblox.com. It will take you to this website. You want to select Continue in Browser. From here, simply log in with your credentials and then click on your icon right here next to the magnifying glass. So from here, as you can see, some numbers have shown up in the URL. So what you want to do is click here on the URL itself, and if it disappears, you want to simply copy it like so, then hold here and paste it. Your user IRL or your user ID, sorry, are these numbers right here. So you want to simply copy from here, from the 4 until the very last number. So roblox.com/users, and this is your user ID right here. So that is how you copy it. This works the same way for iPhone and Android. So I hope you found this video useful. If it did help you out, leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.